So we're going to take a look at the specs. This is the Ulefone T1, and it comes with the Helio P25 octa-core processor, 3680 milliamp battery, 6 gigabytes of RAM with a 64 gigabyte ROM, has a fingerprint sensor, says it has a global version, comes with 5.5-inch full HD display and a dual 16 5 megapixel camera on the rear, and I believe it also has a front 5 megapixel camera with a flash. So pretty exciting specs. This phone cost $244 shipped to me from Amazon. So for that price you get an unlocked phone with all of those specs, and I think those specs are pretty good. Some people have said that they thought different versions of the phone, like the ZT Blade V8 Pro, was a better device. So we're gonna find out, guys. I've had the ZT Blade V8 Pro, and it's a decent phone for sure for the price. So let's take a look at this. Okay, so we get the phone here, and then underneath you get, oh, look at that, nice. You get your cord, US plug, and then some other extras that are thrown in there. I believe there's a case in here, the SIM card ejector tool, and other things. So I'm going to put this on pause. We're going to set the phone up and then get you guys a little review of the initial setup.